पियर्णा इगर्जेच्या 365 वर्साच्या निमतान गोंयचे मातयेची परब मनोवपी पयलेच मातयेचे फेस्त आयतारा 2 ऑक्टोबराक जातले. पियर्णा पंचायतींतल्यान सकाळी 10 वरांचेर सुरू जावपी मिरवणूक फुडें सेंट जॉन द बॅप्टिस्ट इगर्ज मैदानाचेर पावतली.
I've been in Glen for about 2 weeks now, interacted with the people, and what I have noticed is that the festival is women driven. All the women are participating and most women are the driving force of the festival. It is women empowerment. So we have startups. We have about 7 stalls which are startups, and 5 of the stalls have been taken by the women. So there are stalls of plants, there are stalls for soaps, candles, etc. Then we have the food. The food is cooked by women. All the villagers, the women, the elders, the youngsters getting together, cooking the food under the guidance of Chef Peter. So that's another way where women empowerment is at its core.
365 years is a very significant number because you know that it signifies the days in a year. And as I was planning the year, the activities, I thought of organizing a fest. And once I happened to visit Father Santam Carvalho when he was in Socorro, in his parish, and he handed over me this book of Marius, and I went through it, and I found the feast or whatever is there in the book, and there was a number written. So I called him one day and said, as we are serving 365 years, I want to have a fest in our village. And that time he was organizing a fest in Mount Goa, Ambeche Fest. And I, along with my youth Edmo, we approached him. And the first thing he asked me is, what is special about Pilen? And I told him that there was a village which had potters, but most of the potters had to leave because because of the Spanish flu. And some of the potters now are settled in Socorro, in Duler, and still they are called as Pilenkas. So immediately he came to the name Matije Fest. So that's the birth of our fest, Matije Fest.